How to fix and solve Uber app background check issue. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix and solve Uber app background check issues. Now, if you are facing Uber app background check issue, then the first thing you want to do is open up your settings. Now, scroll down and tap on the apps option. A list of all the applications installed on your device will be displayed. You want to scroll through this and find the Uber app over here. Now you want to tap on the storage option. Now go ahead and tap on clear cache. Once that is done, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on the search bar and search for Uber. You want to make sure that you're using the latest version of the Uber application. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Now if you are facing problem in background check due to the app error, then this should be fixed. Simply tap on the open option and check if your problem has been resolved. If it is not resolved, then the problem might be with something else. In that case, you want to contact the customer support of Uber. For that, tap on the account option. Now from here, tap on the help option. Now tap on account. Then you want to scroll down and tap on I need to contact support option. Now you have to enter some of your details over here. Then on this box you want to mention that you're facing issue with Uber app background check. And then tap on the submit option. After this, the customer support will help you fix your problem. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.